Hey guys, welcome to the Monkey Doodle Show. This is Mr. L, and remember, on the Monkey Doodle Show, we do quick, silly drawings and crazy drawings for kids, and we teach you how to do some cool cartoons as well. And beware, because once in a while, my friend Babby the monkey comes around and causes all kinds of trouble, and there he is right now. Babby, come on, you have to go, Babby. You know we're trying to do an intro, okay? I'll see you later. Anyway, on the Monkey Doodle Show, we're going to do some cool drawings, guys. So today, we're going to do, well, I know. We're going to do a cool character called Taco Disco Dude. So stay with me, get your markers ready, and join me on Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to draw Taco Disco Dude. And this guy is going to be pretty fun, and we're going to start right now. So get your marker ready or whatever you want to draw with. All right, we're going to draw pretty much what's like a letter D, okay? Big arch, just like that. And then we're going to close it at the bottom. And we'll connect it. I went a little far, so we'll connect it right there. So see how it's like a letter D that fell over. Silly letter D, okay? And then we're going to come back to this side here on the line. We're going to make another arch that goes like this. I'm trying to help you follow my invisible line here, okay? So watch, start about here, go wide down, just a little line to the side like that, but don't close it, okay? That's like a little special effect there. So you see, we made a letter D, then we made another arch inside, but it doesn't quite go as far, it stays open. All right, cool, you guys are with me? Yeah! Okay, we're going to start doing those taco ingredients in there. So we'll start first with some lettuce. The lettuce will be like a loopy shape, okay? Kind of like leafy lettuce there. And then meat will do kind of like a bumpy shape with some little lines in it like that. And cheese will be just a long kind of curved rectangle shape. See that? Very cool. So I'm just going to keep doing that pattern up until around back here, all right? Okay, getting there. Taco Dude is just about done. I'll leave a little bit more meat over here on the side. We're squeezed in by the taco shell, but that's all good. All right, cool. Boy, this is looking so tasty. I can't believe it. I can't wait till Taco Tuesday. I can't wait till Taco Tuesday. All right, now we're going to do the eyes of Taco Disco Dude, okay? We're going to make two long oval-shaped eyes. All right, cool, I like that. Let's put a big circle in the middle, looking upwards for a highlight. And you can just color it black all around. Let's make a big smile. Okay, cool. I like him. Dude is happy now. Taco Dude is happy. Little backwards curve. Okay. And we're going to give this guy buck teeth. Oh, because he's silly. There he is. Okay. And then we're going to kind of thicken this line a little bit over here just to make it look like his mouth is slightly open, so watch. Okay, I like that. See that? Looks like it's slightly open and back this way. All right, and fill that space in black. Now we're getting somewhere. Taco Dude is just about ready to dance, I think, and do his Disco Taco Tuesday celebratory dance. Okay, let's see. But before we make him dance, let's give this guy a floating sombrero. Sombrero, it's a type of hat worn in the country of Mexico, and it's a really cool cultural hat. It's very colorful. Two lines down, and we're just going to close it here. It's not even going to touch his head. It just kind of floats there. All right, maybe it just bounced off while he's doing his little disco dance. Do a couple lines here, curve, and a curve, zigzag up and down, zigzag up and down, because on the sombreros, they have those kinds of designs on them. And they're very festive hats and colorful and all that. And we would kind of want to have that feeling here too. And let's do a wavy line over here on the front part. And then they have little tassels in different spots. We'll make believe there's little tassels bouncing around, a little ball at the end. All right, I like that. Cool. let's put some arms on this guy. So we're going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to change Sharpies for this part, guys. And I'm going to use this one because it helps me with the arm. It's thick. I only have to do like one main line. So we're going to make a curved line that comes up like that. And we're going to make a thumb, kind of like a backwards 9 or a letter, small lowercase letter E. Then a loop like that. All right, so it's almost like an upside down U, and then watch. A closed shape, a shorter closed shape that bumps into it, and a shorter one, and a little bump right there. Okay, so he's pointing up. He's like, I'm Taco Dude, get ready to dance with me. All right, awesome. So let's do one arm that loops down on the side over here. Ready? Yeah, I like that. Make that thicker there. This kind of be just kind of a hand loop, loop, and loop. And that's just kind of pointing downward, that hand. Alrighty, I think I'm happy with that. And now we're going to do his legs, a little dancing motion. Let's see. So we're going to do one leg. It goes up to there. Another line that comes down longer, watch. Like that. We want to make it a little thicker on the inside. And let's see, we're going to do feet here. So a loop around this black line, that's simple enough. We're going to make a slightly longer loop here. We're a little near the edge of the paper, but I think I can make it. This one's bigger because it's always closer to you. So whatever part is closer to your eyes, usually a little bit bigger, that's more back. And this is closer. All right. I think we have one more little thing to make Taco Dude look cool. And remember, this is, you know, the taco shell. And usually the taco shells have little dots on them, that texture and pattern of dots. So that makes it look more realistic and complete. And it's just all together fun. You know, Babby, I'm hungry. You know what I could go for? I could really go for some tacos. Babby, this is not my kind of taco, Babby. Babby, you made a banana taco? Oh, Babby, it's okay. I'll make my own taco. You can have this one. All right, guys, it's time for this week's shout-outs. Thanks to everyone who sent in their art. If you want your art to be featured in next week's episode of Monkey Doodle, just send your art to monkeydoodleart@gmail.com. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Monkey Doodle. We post new art lessons every week for kids on Monkey Doodle and even have lessons on arts and crafts, so please join us. Also, be sure to check out last week's video, which is linked in the description below. If you want to check out my art, Mr. L, follow my art on Art Duke of Liberty on my Instagram account. Thanks for watching.